What exactly is climate change? Let's discover together. Climate change is essentially the warming of our Earth. It occurs when we produce excessive heat trapping gases into the atmosphere. This results in the melting of ice at the poles and an increase in sea levels. It can also cause droughts, making it difficult for living things to survive. In addition, climate change has the potential to make storms stronger, bringing heavy rains, leading to floods like in our country. And it also affects individuals, leading to people being forced to move and face challenges. But there is hope. We can fight against climate change by starting to use clean renewable energy sources like solar panels and wind turbines. And by doing small steps such as planting trees, recycling and repairing, we can make a big difference. If we collaborate, we can safeguard our planet for future generations. By taking care of our environment, we guarantee a better future for everyone, especially the children.